Secrets Akumal Riviera Maya. Featuring an outdoor pool, restaurant and spa, Secrets Akumal Riviera Maya is located in Riviera Maya. This adult-only hotel offers a fitness center, beauty shop, nightclub and evening entertainment. Free Wi-Fi access is available. Each room at the hotel provides a hot tub, a flat-screen cable TV and a minibar. Featuring a spa bath and shower, private bathrooms come complete with a hairdryer and free toiletries. A sofa, a desk and an outdoor seating area are also featured in every room. Secrets Maroma Beach Riviera Cancun. Secrets Maroma Beach Riviera Cancun is a AAA's 5 Diamond Award winner property with 13 outdoor pools, 6 a la carte gourmet restaurants, a buffet restaurant, a cocoa cafe, a barefoot grill and a preferred beach club exclusive for preferred club guests. It also offers a wide variety of on-site activities like yoga and scuba lessons. Featuring hot tubs, furnished terraces and minibars, the suites at this adult only have flat-screen cable TV. The marble bathrooms provide toiletries, bathrobes and a hairdryer. Beach Resort Cancun. Live Aqua Beach Resort Cancun is offering direct access to Cancun Beach. It has an outdoor swimming pool overlooking the Caribbean Sea, attractive rooms with balconies, 9 restaurants, 5 bars and a spa. Each spacious, air-conditioned room at the Live Aqua Beach Resort Cancun has stylish decor with tiled floors. All rooms include a TV, coffee maker, aromatherapy products, a safety deposit box and a minibar which is refilled daily. The stylish Siete restaurant serves a range of Mexican cuisine, while European and Asian dishes are on offer in the MB restaurant. The Azur serves international options set by the pool and overlooking the sea. Cancun. Offering bright, modern rooms with a private terrace overlooking the Caribbean Sea or Nichupte Lagoon. This beachfront resort is 25 minutes drive from Cancun International Airport. Fine restaurants and nightlife are featured. Rooms at the Paradisus Cancun all-inclusive provide spacious windows and a rain-style shower. A 32-inch flat-screen cable TV, minibar and air conditioning are included. The Paradisus Cancun all-inclusive offers 10 restaurants including the poolside La Veranda and the elegant Kuna. 9 bars are also located around the resort. Hotel Xcaret Mexico. Located in Playa del Carmen, 3.7 miles from Playa del Carmen Maritime Terminal, Hotel Xcaret Mexico all parks all fun inclusive has a number of amenities including a private beach area, an outdoor swimming pool and a tennis court. At the resort, rooms have a balcony. Each room is fitted with a private bathroom with free toiletries, while selected rooms are equipped with sea views. At Hotel Xcaret Mexico all parks all fun inclusive rooms come with air conditioning and a flat-screen TV. A buffet breakfast can be enjoyed in the breakfast area. Appreciate your time and interest in this video. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel so you can see more content like it in the future.